Alright, welcome to update 10 on our Project 800 Nissan Skyline that we're building to race for charity. So previously on our last video you would have seen me using the Cooper's paint stripper to remove the last of the paint that Turgo didn't move. And what we're going to do today is do the final hand sand and the final prep before treating the metal with a product called Deoxidine. We'll insert a picture here. I haven't picked the product up yet, but I will do that. And then once the metal is treated, we will be hitting it with the epoxy, what they call PPG's product, Epotech. Because we're doing the engine bay in black, Epotech actually comes in a black primer. And we'll be putting that down and then top coating with 2K gloss black over top. So I hope you enjoy the video. You'll see me using various different sandpapers and red scotch pad to achieve the finish. Typically I will only use leftover or seconds sandpaper that I've used on other jobs. We can use anything from sort of 80 grit, used 80 grit, to a bit of 120, right down to a bit of 240 grit. So the coarser, the more chance of leaving scratches, but it'll remove all the leftover smudges that weren't taken off with the Cooper's paint stripper. You'll see in other areas on the strut tower here, I started with 120 because it wasn't too bad. I've then gone 240, and then lastly with the red scotch pad just to give it a nice key and take out any bits of lines. Leaves a nice finish, smooth finish for the rust treatment and epoxy to do its job. So we're getting closer. Won't be too many, probably one or two more episodes, and you will see this engine bay all painted and ready for the engine. Hope you enjoy.